around American Airlines Terminal 4, and what a difference just a couple of months makes. Pretty much fully installed here, facing the roadway. All glass. Slides here next to the barrel connection. Looks like they still have some exterior work to go, but man, oh man. That's pretty impressive how quickly that was completed, at least the front here. I know they have a long way to go interior wise, and then eventually we'll get this thing demoed. And you can see up above still have all that metal framing that's still pretty new, and has a ways to go before that finishes up. Let's see, where am I? Right there. Here is the pedestrian walkway over by the West Station, which will get you to Terminal 4. And you can see how the two structures kind of blend together, or do they blend together? I don't know. But each one has unique window features. Which do you prefer? Comment down below. Ew. This is really cool. It's modern. It's not too in your face, crazy architecture, style-wise. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. As you can see, next to the finished glass panel area, they still have a ways to go to finish up the sides here. So I wonder if they're going to actually do that, or are they going to maybe demo this once? I don't know. Yeah, I guess they'll probably finish this off first, and then have to carefully demo this area next, which is over in the security TSA area. You can see the gap right there, the total air gap between old and new.